everyone, welcome back to Mr. Learnish channel. I'm Emily.
And I'm Michael. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Before we start, please like, share and subscribe to Mr. Learning channel. Your support helps our channel grow and helps more people learn English easily.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. So Emily, today's topic is very important, training your mouth and your mind to speak English confidently.
Yes, Michael. Many learners tell us, I understand English, but when I try to speak, I get stuck.
And the simple reason is, their brain knows English, but their mouth has not practiced English enough.
Exactly. It's like watching dance videos but never actually dancing yourself.
Right. Your mouth needs training just like your body muscles. If you want to be good at speaking English, you must move your mouth every day.
So, Michael, what's the best method to train the mouth?
My favorite method is shadowing. It works amazingly well.
How does it work?
You listen to someone speaking English, and you copy them immediately, like an echo.
For example, if the speaker says, "Good morning, how are you?" you say, "Good morning, how are you?" right after them.
Exactly. Copy their pronunciation, rhythm, tone, everything. This trains your mouth to produce English sounds naturally.
Another great exercise is repeating short, simple phrases every day.
Yes, think of it as warm-up for your mouth. Emily, like, I am ready. I can do this. Let's begin. Good morning. Thank you. These small sentences help your mouth move smoothly in English. They build comfort and confidence.
This exercise might sound funny, but it works very well.
Yes, talk to yourself in English. Emily, describe whatever you're doing, like, I am making tea, I am cleaning my room, this shirt is blue. No one is judging you. Speaking out loud helps your mouth produce real sentences.
I love that. Goals make your introduction more meaningful. Okay, Michael, let's talk about the mind. How can beginners start thinking in English?
Slowly. Start with small English thoughts.
For example, when you see food, think food. When you feel thirsty, think water.
Yes. Don't translate everything in your head. Just use the English words you already know.
And when words become easy, think small phrases like, "It's cold today," "I want to rest," "I will go outside."
English is not a subject. It's a habit.
Yes, listen to English while cooking, cleaning, or walking.
Watch short English videos, read simple English posts, even change your phone language to English.
Small exposure every day has a big impact.
Many people study for 2 hours one day and then stop for many days.
But practicing 5 minutes every day gives much better results.
Daily small steps make your mouth and brain comfortable with English.
Don't wait for perfect English to speak English.
Yes, your voice matters. Your accent is part of your identity.
The goal is clear communication, not perfection.
Be proud of your English voice. It shows courage.
This is my favorite part. When your mouth starts speaking English,
Your brain learns faster.
speaking doesn't only show what you know, it teaches you more.
So don't wait for confidence. Speak first. Confidence comes later. Thank you for joining us today.
Tell us in the comments, which simple English phrase will you practice today?
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mr. Learnish channel.
See you next time. Bye-bye.